Robotics is a great platform to teach problem solving and computational thinking from as early as prep. Often, it's not the end product that is important, but the journey of discovery students go through as they work to solve the problem. So how do we teach computational thinking in the Australian curriculum? Robotics isn't part of the Australian curriculum. However, teaching computational thinking is, and this is where robotics comes in. Students work through a process where they take a complex problem and break it down or decompose, and then write algorithms or simple sequences of instructions. This can be done using robotics or using unplugged activities. As students' knowledge and skills develop, they can decompose problems at a more detailed level, design more complex algorithms, spot patterns, and use abstraction more easily. Computational thinking approaches become more familiar as our students persist to debug problems and work collaboratively together. Even in the early years, students can begin to develop computational thinking skills using robotics. In the early years, using simple robots like B-bots and dot and dash to learn sequencing and decomposition based on literature or science concepts. In Year 2, teachers can guide students through the computational thinking processes as they use simple robotic equipment such as We-Do kits to build and program a model life cycle of a tadpole. In the upper years, students can move on to more complex robotics equipment such as EV3 robots, where they can use their computational thinking skills to solve problems based on natural disasters, or start to think about the future and application of robotics through programming of humanoid robots like Pepper. Remember, STEM is not about teaching robotics, but teaching the skills of computational thinking using robotics. Please share, subscribe, and like our videos to hear more about how we are embedding STEM in our curriculum. Next week, we will look specifically at coding.